Hello guys, how are you? Are you okay?
Yes.
Are you fine?
Yes.
So welcome to another English lesson about phonetic sounds. Are you interested to learn phonetic sounds or not?
Yeah.
Okay. In previous week, we talked about two symbol sounds of phonetic alphabet. In today's lesson, once more, we're going to talk about the pursuit of phonetic sounds. But before talking about number 3, number 4, and number 5 phonetic symbol sounds of English alphabet, I would like to tell you some English words. I mean the difference, how we pronounce them in our own language and how we pronounce them in English language. Maybe these words are interesting for you. Okay? So let us start. In English, we say motor. Okay? In English. Of course, in American English, we say motor. Or in British English, we say motor. Okay? But in Persian or in Dari, we say mutar or motor.
Yeah.
You know, motor that brings the device into action, into movement. Yes?
Yeah.
Sometimes we say its motor is not working. In Dari, موتورش خراب شده. موتور. در لهجه دری موتور میگیم. But in English, we should pronounce it motor. In American, but in British, motor. Number 2. In English, we pronounce it generator. Generator. Okay? But in Persian or in Dari, we say generator. یا generator. Generator خراب شده.
Yeah.
Generator means creating energy. Okay? Something that creates energy. So how do you pronounce? Generator. When you speak, when you use this word in English, you need to pronounce it generator. Okay. In English, we pronounce it workshop. In Dari, workshop. In English, we pronounce it machine. What? Machine. But in Dari, we pronounce it machine. Machine. When you pronounce it in English, you should say machine, not machine. Okay? Because you're not speaking Dari or Persian. In English, we pronounce it accelerator. The stress is on the first. Accelerator. Okay? But in Dari, we pronounce it accelerator. Okay? So you know what does accelerator mean. Okay? In English, we pronounce it tire. In Dari, we pronounce it tire. Tire motor kharab shada. Okay? In English, in American English, we pronounce it mobile. Mobile. But in British English, we pronounce it mobile. In Dari, we also say mobile. Mobile. Okay? But in American English,
Mobile.
what? Mobile. Mobile. Mobile, nay. Mobile. In British, you can say mobile. But in Dari, you say mobile. Okay? In English, we pronounce it television. Television. The stress is here, okay? Television. But in Dari, we pronounce it television. Oh, television. In English, we pronounce it America. America. In America, people spend lots of time outside their home, okay? در امریکا. در داری چی میگیم؟ امریکا. In English, we pronounce it bank. What? Bank. But in Dari? Bank. وقتی در انگلیسی گفتن نمیتونی که I was in the bank. It's wrong. I was in the bank. Okay? In English, we pronounce it jumper. See? Jumper. Okay? Sorry, jumper. But in Dari, we pronounce it jumper. Okay, jumper. In English, we pronounce it radio. But in Dari or in Persian, we say radio. Okay? These were some differences between American accent and Afghan accent. Okay, they were Persian. Now it's time to talk about our main lesson. Okay, what is our main lesson? Of course, our main lesson is IPA. You know what does it stand for? It stands for the International Phonetic Alphabet. Okay? Have you got?
Yes.
What? Yeah, International Phonetic Alphabet. So what is the International Phonetic Alphabet? In fact, the IPA is for representing phonetic sound with symbols. Okay? IPA is used to help us pronounce the words correctly, as I've mentioned it before. Okay? So pretend you do not know some words in English. For example, we have the words now, we have the bird and person. Pretend we do not know the meaning of these words. What the words now, bird, person mean in English language. The first thing we need to do is we go to dictionary. Okay? We write, for example, now, bird or person. We find out the meaning in the first step. Okay? In the dictionary, you will find, for example, the meaning of person both in English and also in your own language. You will find person means a human being. Okay? Besides this, you will also find person means shakhs. Okay? You will also find between parentheses, okay, or like this, the phonetic symbol sound. Okay? For example, it's person, so you will find like this. You'll find something like this. It is phonetic symbol sound of this word. We write this word. See, it is like person. It is like person. But phonetic says for us to pronounce this word like person. Person. It's not person. Okay? It's what? It's person. So when you don't know the word now, okay, so you write in dictionary. The dictionary between parentheses will tell you the phonetic sound of this word, and it is like this, now. Okay? So when you see this, it is no. It is actually writing and formation of this word. But it is what? It is pronunciation of this word. So now we are going to practice on 3 sounds. Number 3, number 4, and number 5. Number 3, the sound is What is the sound? How do you pronounce? This is a symbol. This is also an alphabet. What kind of alphabet? It is related to IPA. IPA is for sounds of English. The International Phonetic Alphabet is the branch of linguistics. Okay? That studies how humans make or perceive sounds. How humans make or perceive sounds. So how we should understand sounds? How? We should go and check what? Phonetic sounds. As you have learned these. Okay? So what is this sound for? What? So we have these words here. Okay? For example, the writing of this word is like bird. Bird is wrong in pronunciation, but we should pronounce it what? So it's what? So ba, da. So how do you pronounce? Bird. We do not say bird. It's wrong. How? Bird. So the next one.
Word.
What? Yeah. So we pronounce it word. This next one, we do not pronounce it first. First is wrong. Okay, we should pronounce it how? Like this. Okay? This is pronunciation of this word. So let me tell you one other mark for this. The other mark for this, for is also this one. Okay? When you see this formation, with this formation you will find the sound How? I can also write like this, okay? For example, see? How do you pronounce it? First. First. You do not say what? First. First is wrong. The next one, how do you pronounce it? Person. Person. If you pronounce it person, it is wrong. Give me your cell phone. I should write. Okay. He has the word. Okay. So, okay, he has. Does it have sound as well?
What?
Does it have sound?
Yes, yes.
Okay, how?
First.
Okay, listen.
First. First.
First.
First.
First. It's not first. Maybe you hear first, okay? Because your ears are ready to hear first. But if you practice first, and if you listen it slowly, you will find that it's not first. It's first. It's not person. It's what? Person. Okay? So you can also see the mark here as he saw. You can also check in your dictionary. Okay? And the next one is it's not under. It's not under. So what should we pronounce? Under. Yeah, under, der. The next one, brother. It's not brother, brother, there. Mother. And this? Color. Color is wrong. Let me see. For example, how do you pronounce this word? Summer. See? Summer. Listen to me. Summer. Mer. It's not mer, it's not mar. It's summer. Okay? And also, how do you pronounce this one? Doctor. I forgot this one to compare with Afghan accent and with English accent, okay? In English, we pronounce it doctor. But in Dari, we pronounce it duktur. Your doctor. Doctor sahib, duktur. Like this, okay? So now, I think you have understood these ones, okay? And it's time to work on other sound. This mark, this symbol, you see it's pronounced ow. What? Ow. What is this? And what is this? Ow. It is ow. When you see, you should understand that this is represented for a sound ow. So how? It is written like an OW, so it should be pronounced like an ow. Now. What? Now. What about this? How. Yes. We do not pronounce it ho. We should pronounce it what? How. You know, the students may ask you, dear teacher, what is the proof to prove me that pronounce the word in correct order? You say, this is a word. It is written like this. But when you go to dictionary, when you find a meaning of a word, you will also be able to find the pronunciation of a word. You won't be able to ask from a teacher or from anyone, teacher, how should I pronounce this one? Write the word how in the dictionary. You will find the meaning. Besides finding the meaning, you will be able to find what? The pronunciation. When you see this one, so between parentheses, you will understand that it is pronounced what? How. Down? Down. Yeah, like this. So it's down, and the pronunciation is down. House, so shout, cow, wow, brown. Okay? So these words are also similar for the pronunciation of ow. And finally, we come to I. What? I. This word, how do you pronounce? I. So this symbol is pronounced like what? I. We say I. Okay, how? In words. For example, you say G-U-Y. Okay? So we pronounce it what? Guy. Why we pronounce it guy? Because it's G-U-Y. In parentheses, you will find this one. Okay, guy. This one. You see? The formation of this word is Fredai. Fredai, yes? But phonetic tells us to pronounce this word like this. Okay? Friday. It is pronounced. Fry, so it's Friday. Friday. Okay? Friday. And this one? It is written like this, but we should pronounce it like this. How? My. It is written like this. You see, it is many. Many. Yes? But we should pronounce it like this. What? Mine. You see this word, if it is in English, for example, see it is another English word. It is formation of the word, but when you write this word into dictionary, you will find the meaning. Besides finding the meaning, you will find that this word is pronounced like this. Okay? Main. This is another phonetic symbol. This is pronounced A. So we say main. Okay? We say main. For example, see this one? It is actually point, but we should pronounce it what? Pain. It is written and it is what? It should be pronounced. And finally, time, bike, why, buy. And what? See, you see U-I-D-E, but you just pronounce it like this. Finish. Guide. Okay? It was phonetic sound. So now you can check your dictionaries. Come on. If you have cell phones, just write these words. For example, write first person, or write house, shout, cow, or any other words, you will find it's their pronunciation. Okay? So do you have any feedback or question for me? You have feedback? Come on, tell me. You don't have any feedback? Are you sure? Any question? So I think time is over, yes. Thank